do you want the recordings also? I'll check with sir if I'm allowed to share, because ये जो topics है एक बार से ज़्यादा थोड़ा सुनने को होता है ना, तो it's easier for you to understand.
Yes, ma'am, that will be great. Business accounting, ma'am also share all the recordings with us.
I have no problem. Sir told me last time you are not allowed to share. That is why. मेरे बच्चों से तो I share my recordings. I'll create a YouTube channel for you, okay? And let me post it there. I'll share the channel with you. Is that okay?
Yeah, ma'am, that will be great.
That is
Thank you
better,
so
actually.
much.
I'll do it that way from this time. Now, can we actually, we are going to be talking about, we were talking about random variable. Did we see this problem on die? We saw about card being tossed, correct? Did we see about this die? Class? Shall we do this problem? Let us work it out until you gain familiarity with identifying the problem. Because once we go to binomial and Poisson, थोड़ा बहुत confusion रहेगा, थोड़ा रहेगा. I am here to help you out. That is different. But when you do it on your own, कभी-कभी ये हो जाता है. ठीक है?
Ma'am, we can't see the screen.
You can't see the screen? Takes it. Now, a minute. I had opened the screen. Okay. Do you see it now? दिख रहा है अभी?
Yes, ma'am.
So एक हाथ problem और कर देंगे and we will become thorough with one aspect and then move on to the other. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. We saw this problem if I remember. Example 9 देखा था. We had a confusion. ये वाला देखा था हमने? नहीं, ये वाला नहीं. If x is okay, we saw that card wala. Shall we do this problem? Anyways, every problem is important. Illustration 4 तक किया था हमने, example 4 तक किया था, if I remember, right? Correct? Where did we stop? Please help me with that. I think we saw all these things. We scrolled through all these things since we knew. You remember this? Can I have some response, please? ये हमने देखा था कल, but we just scrolled through, right? Class? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, shall I still scroll through because it's the same thing that we have done, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll just start off with those kind of problems we did yesterday. We needed more problems, right? We are not seeing the theorems, basically. So we said two cards are drawn. Two cards are drawn, one by one with replacement. From 8 cards numbered from 1 to 8. Okay. Find the expectation of the product of two numbers on the cards. Okay. Class? Class, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is something very similar, but shall we scroll through or do you want to do it and then practice? Whatever you say. कर लेते ना, the same thing that we did. Yeah, we'll do this and then go to the other one, earlier one. Now, how do you actually decide what has to be done? When two cards are drawn, right? They have not said product jo hai na, this and this. Remember I told you when we did probability, we said A and B को हम product बोलते हैं, बराबर? याद है आपको? I'll share my Excel Google sheet. You remember that? Do you remember that? Class प्रोडक्ट किसको बोलते हैं? ए और बी बोला तो सम, ए एंड बी बोला तो प्रोडक्ट, करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we do it now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We will do.
I'll rename this. I'll share the link here also in the classroom. Okay. Date डाल देती. It's easier for you to track, right? If I write the date. कल का क्या डेट था? 17/7. Okay. I think this is easier. 18/1. Okay. Now, when I say let x be the number on the first card and y be the number on the second card, right? Then the probability, see, when you see probability, whether it is first card, whether it is second card, whether it is third card, all probability of drawing the third card is equal to probability of drawing the fourth card. Barabar? Class, are you understanding? We don't go by the number. We go by individual cards probability में. Am I right? Are you following? Are you following? See, 8 cards numbered from 1 to 8, right? So, so 1 to 8, right? So X is your random number. P of X. What did we say? X is a random number associated with the outcome. Barabar? Random number is a number associated with the outcome. First card, second card, third card, fourth card, fifth card, sixth card, seventh card, eighth card. See, we have done this problem, this kind of a problem, but my only idea is to understand एक problem को हम कैसे interpret करते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है class? How do you understand I should write it as 1/8, and how do you understand when there are 8 cards drawn, what is the expected probability of product of 2 cards? Barabar? Okay. Now, probability associated with every card is 1/8. They've not said anything. Drawing first card is second, twice the probability of third card, etc. ऐसे कुछ नहीं बोला है. They've just said they are just drawing. So I assume they are fairly shuffled, and probability of drawing the first card. There are 2 cards to be drawn. Correct? So I equally distribute the probabilities here. Are you following, or is it difficult for you? Are you all following? ठीक है? Class? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when I say, are you following? समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when I say this, what happens is P of X. So each card has equal probability of getting drawn. I only need to check the expectation of a product of 1 and 3 drawn, 2 and 3 drawn, etc. Okay? So can I multiply now? Like for example, E of X. Okay? Let me check if I'm able to multiply these. This, yeah. नहीं हो रहा. Okay. So my E is going to be summation. Give me a minute. I'll show you the sum also once. Okay. Now, this is what is my E of 8, which is 4 point. I'm sorry, I have to shuttle between. Do you see the screen here? Do you see the screen here, class?
Yes, ma'am.
First card withdrawal is 9/2. Why am I showing you the screen? Because yesterday you had some confusion regarding this, right? Now, we use this and this. Barabar? Every probability is 1/8. So I don't have to do 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, etc. हर एक का एक ही है. Okay. So what I will do here is I'm going to multiply this. I'll share that screen also. I will say probability of the expectation of the product. Expectation. I'll share that screen also of the product is equal to 4.5 into 4.5. Are you understanding? दो कार्ड ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, एक कार्ड नहीं. So दो कार्ड ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं हम. So that is what I'm going to get. Any doubts here, class? Class?
No, ma'am.
So let's see the properties. I'll just scroll through the properties here. I'll share that screen also itself. That and this is happening. So we are doing multiplication theorem. Both are independent events. So let us see important properties of expectation. E of K is K where K is a constant. E of X is an X, right? K is a constant here. Are you following, class? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Expected value of K. क्योंकि याद है आपको 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. I went on adding and then it became ultimately 8/8 or whatever constant I want, right? Now, when I say E of Kx is equal to K into E of X, right? That is also a constant. Let's go through this theoretically because practically हम जाएंगे, we'll have all possible this thing. And X and Y, I said here are random variables. What are random variables? Variables associated with the outcome, right? So E of X or Y is equal to E of X or E of Y, right? Drawing card number 2 or card number 3, or say drawing an ace or a non-ace is equal to drawing an ace or drawing a non-ace. समझ में आ रहा है? Class, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw both at a time. When you're drawing one card, you can either, the card can either be a ace or card can either be a non-ace card, right? जब एक कार्ड ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली तो नहीं हो सकता है. आपको समझ में आ रहा है, क्लास? Are you following? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, now multiplication theorem says E of X and Y When two cards are drawn, ace and ace, ace and non ace, जो भी है, because दोनों हम अलग अलग एक्टिविटी है, बराबर? Are you following? यहाँ पे दो कार्ड जब ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, you can draw either an ace or a non. I mean, you can draw ace and non ace, or non ace and ace and ace, right? Non ace and non ace. समझ में आ रहा है? क्लास जब दो एक्टिविटी साइमल्टेनियसली कर रहे हैं, वी ट्राई यूजिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन थियरम. एनी डाउट्स? एनी डाउट्स? Any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no
Yeah.
doubts.
So we are not going moments and other measures. ठीक है? फिलहाल के लिए हम ऐसे इतना नहीं जा रहे. So should I don't know how to annotate. Does anybody know like इसमें कैसे annotate करते हैं? When I share it in the classroom, you can. I'll try this. नहीं हो रहा है. Okay. Till here you do it. Okay. Theory के लिए. Are you following class? Class, are you following? ये भी हमने last time किया था, but I don't want to go too much into the detail. I don't get any response from you because the topic is new. I'm a bit worried. So kindly answer me.
No doubts yet, ma'am.
Okay, thanks a lot. So can we actually proceed with this? I will start with the next problem. I think, did we do this problem? I think we did this problem. H, T, T. याद है आपको कल? So we'll start with this problem, example 7. Okay, class? I think it's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same
Okay,
thing.
ma'am, sure.
नहीं, ये same है. This you try at home. Even I'm seeing the notes for the first time. ठीक है? ये वाला आप घर में करो. I'll share another. ये वाला same thing. We had 1/8, 1/8. अभी 1/10 because 10 cards are there. Correct? So what did we do? Finally expected this into this. वहाँ पे 9/2 into 9/2 था. यहाँ पे 49. I mean 7/2 into 7/4. Same way, same kind of problems. Will you want to try here or do you want to do it at home? ये वाला, sorry, this one.
We can do it as a homework, and if we will
Yeah.
have some doubt,
Please,
we can
please.
ask you next
Sure.
time.
Sure. Okay. I'll open my other PDF. This is also shared. I've shared the other PDF also. Okay. उसमें सब कुछ है. Give me a minute. I'll share the other PDF. समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Shared it in your classroom also. Yeah. Exactly. We were seeing this. So we saw the example 4 here, if I remember. Okay. We saw this, right? Do you see the screen? No, sorry, I'm not sure.
No, ma'am, your screen is not visible. You're not sharing it.
We saw this problem yesterday, correct? Example 4. I will start with here. I have the proper expectation also. Okay. Checking for more problems. We come here, X and Y are independent. We just saw this. Okay, we don't need the proof. You can go through it if you want at leisure, but we don't need the proof. Yeah. This, we just did this problem. Can we try one here? There was one on coin. I'm not having many problems here. Expectation. But did you understand whatever we did till now? I'll try to get more problems also. Yeah. I think this is a die card. Yeah, we'll do the same. Two unbiased die are thrown. Find the expected value, the sum of number of points on them. Okay. Can we try this, class? Can we try this? Can we try this?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So I will start with 1/6. Two unbiased die are thrown. Okay. And find the value of the sum of number of points. So I'm going to start here with my sheet. I will share the sheet. So I'll say two unbiased die is thrown. Okay. Find the expected sum of points. Do you want to try actually? X probability. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Last time it was 1/8. Now it is 1/6. 1/6. 1/6. Are you also copying simultaneously? Class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you try this? And I want the final answer. I want to see what it is. Okay. If you have understood. I'll wait for you. Try it and let me know.
Three 3.5.
Yeah, tell me. What is it now?
3.5.
3.5. Can I try this? I mean, what did you do actually? What is the final answer? How did you do? How did you do the final answer?
Ma'am, I multiplied X by probability and added all.
Correct. Give me a minute here. Expectation E of X. Okay. Six. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm getting 3.48.
3.48. Okay. I get this 3.5. Okay, 3.48 or 3.5. Okay. Now, $3.48 मिल रहा है कि 3.5?
Ma'am, I've only taken 2 digits after the decimal, so I got 3.48.
ठीक है, 3.48 मिला. So what did you do? 2 dice. So what did you do with the final answer? Class? What did you do with the final answer? जल्दी बोलो. What did you do with the final answer? Quick, quick, quick.
We will add because sum of points is written.
Exactly, equal to this plus, because sum of points पूछा है ना पिछले बार, product of points, right? समझ में आ रहा है? Plus, did you understand?
Ma'am, what we will add?
We'll add these 7/2. Correct? 7/2 is what we get, plus, or I'm sorry, 7/2 into 7/2. Why? Because why? Last time we added, this time we are multiplying. Why? Can I have some answer from you? Try.
Can you please explain again? I didn't get it.
So did we have this? Yeah, okay. 7/2 plus 7/2. Sorry, because sum of points I need. It's not this thing. Sum of points is what I need. Okay. Which is 7 here. क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Class, are you following? Now this is the sum of points. I added everything. Expectedly we are summating, right? The entire probability. Class, are you understanding? Class, are you understanding?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Or this, or this, or this. The wordings are different. That is all, right? Expectation of the product bola to this and this into this into this into this. Correct? Then we added, and then we said there are 2 which are being done. So we are going to be multiplied here. याद है आपको? Product था यहाँ पे sum है. तो क्या करोगे आप? क्या करोगे? इसका जो है फर्स्ट डाई का 3.5 था, सेकेंड डाई का 3.5 है.